So I'll use this video to explain how to sell the same product but with different price and different quantity. So for instance, you have Panadol, which is like the pack is has 10 sachets of Panadol in one pack, and you have like 100 packs of that Panadol. So when a customer comes to buy one sachet, you want to sell one sachet which has different price from when the customer comes to buy one pack, and you want it to pick all these things from the same product. So I'll just quickly use Panadol as an example. I'll record Panadol, but I'll record it as sachet. So the quantity is going to be let's say I have 10 sachets of Panadol. So I'll record it under drugs, then Panadol. Then the cost price of this one is 100 naira. The selling price of one is 150 naira. And I'll add it up. I'll save, record posted. So now I have Panadol. I have 10 of Panadol. If I search for Panadol, I have just available stock is 10. The selling price is 150. Now I'll go to my processed inventory here. So when I click on this, I'll search for Panadol. So once you select it, you go back and double click. Then you can right click and copy it so that you have the same name here. But here you have to segment the name after pasting it. So I can put maybe Panadol pack, maybe pack in bracket 10. That to show that you can use any name for it. So I'll take that again. I'll select add process inventory. I'll come here to search for Panadol, select it, then go back again inside it and double click so that I can copy this Panadol, then come here and paste it here. So here now I'll now say Panadol pack, the pack of 10. That's 10 sachets. So but you can use any name. So the quantity that will be in the pack is 10. It will give you an estimated selling price, but you can decide that you want to sell it 1/4. So I'll click on save. So if I go back now to search for Panadol, you see that I'll now have 2 Panadol here, which means one is the Panadol pack, which is this one, and one is the Panadol sachet. So and when you can see here, you can see that this thing has changed from 10 pieces that it used to be, and it has changed to 1 pk. So it means one pack is 0 pieces. So tomorrow now, if I want to record Panadol, I can decide to now record it in pack. So if I'm recording Panadol here now, I'll select that I want to record maybe 20 Panadol sachets. But you know that this is sachet, this is pack. So if I select this now, which is the Panadol sachet, and I say I'm buying 20 of it, I just bought 20 of it from the market and I save. If I go to my stock level, I'm going to have Panadol as 3 packs, because 20 that I added to it, that's 2 pack. 20 pieces of this Panadol that I added to it, that's 2 pack. Then we have 1 pack already, before now. So here we have the Panadol. So now if I want to sell Panadol now, if I'm selling the Panadol sachet, if I come here and I say Panadol, which is the sachet, and I say save, or I post the record. So I'll go back to my stock level to check Panadol. You can see that Panadol now is left with 2 pack, 9 pieces, 9 PCS. So why the pack item will always be 0? Because it's taken from this Panadol. This Panadol pack is taken from this one. So if I go back now to my sales page and I say, okay, now today I want to sell the Panadol pack. So Panadol, I'm selling 1 pack of Panadol. Oops. Okay, if you are using this method, you cannot use this set item inventory page on this use sales analysis. Under the set item inventory page, you have to turn it off. So I just turn that off, and if I go to the new inventory page, then I can now have Panadol. Sorry, on the sales page. Then if I want to sell Panadol now, it should allow me the Panadol pack. This one. So I just sold one Panadol pack, and when I come here to check Panadol pack, you can see that I have one pack, 9 pieces left. So that's how to sell how to create your pack item and your wholesale item. So I could take another product. Let's say I'm using let's say I want to use let's say I don't know any other drug. Let's say I'm using maybe Fensic. Okay, so I'm using Fensic under drug. Take Fensic sachet, so that this one will be more explanatory. Sachet. Then the cost price is 200, selling price is 400. That's per sachet. So now I've recorded. Now I'm trying to record 20 sachet of this, right? So I can save it. So if I come here now, I have Fensic sachets for 20 quantity. So I can go back to my add processing inventory item and search for Fensic. So I'll click here again. I'll double click inside this again, or I just select all like this. Then I can copy this Fensic, paste it here, but this time around is Fensic pack, because you have to segment the name. So you can say a pack of 10 or however you want to do it. So just make sure that the name is different from this. Now, how many quantities in the pack? Maybe we have 12 of Fensic inside one pack. That's 12 of Fensic sachets. So to give you the name, the selling price of the pack item, to just prorate it for you. But now I can choose to make it 4,500. Then I can save. Now if I go to my stock level now and I search for Fensic, you see I now have Fensic sachet to be 0, but Fensic pack to be 1 pack 8 pieces, because it's a pack of 12 in the pack. The pack has 12 sachets, then we now have 8 pieces left because we recorded 20 initially. If I want to record this item now in pack, I can come here now and take Panadol pack, and I take maybe I'm buying 20 more packs of it. So, but don't forget that when you are recording the pack, don't make mistake of don't make that mistake of making choosing pack over the sachet. So if I come here now to search for my, did I record that 20? Okay, I think I did Panadol. Okay, I must have done Panadol. So let me go back and record Fensic pack. So I'm recording Fensic pack. I'm recording 3 packs. Automatic investment. So if I go back here and I search for Fensic, now we have 4 packs of Fensic. But we still have 2 pieces left here. So what I can do is I can record 2. If what I want to have is maybe what I bought is 3 pack and 2 pieces. So what I'll have to do here now is to record the pieces too. So I have 2 pieces of Fensic sachet. Yeah. No, of Fensic sachet. Yeah, Fensic sachet. I think that was a mistake. I shouldn't have had sachet pack on this. So this is the pack, but I'm adding 2 pieces of the sachet, Fensic sachet. So if I come here now and I search for Fensic, you can see that I now have 6 pack 10 pieces. How did it even come about that? I can't remember. Okay, yeah. That's possible because we have 12 in the pack of this one, not 10. So if I want to round this up to make 7 packs, that means I have to come here and record 2 more pieces of Fensic sachets. No, sorry, should be this. I need to record 2 more pieces of this to make 7 packs of Fensic. So now we have 7 packs, 0 pieces. So I hope you understand this, and that will be all for this video.